Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. I got the limited edition Thank You Next Plumping Lip Glosses. I'm looking at my phone from R.E.M Beauty in the mail today. I'm so excited they finally came. So if you guys want to see all the shades and the swatches, then keep watching. Okay, so here they are out of the box. I got all three shades, Thank You Next, 7 Rings, and Needy. I feel like the shipping on these did take forever. I ordered these, I'm looking at my calendar. I think I ordered them June 25th and today is July 7th, so they almost took 2 weeks to get here, but as of July 2nd they're available at Ulta, which I was kind of annoyed about because I could have just gone to Ulta and bought these, but then again my Ulta is always sold out of R.E.M, so I'm kind of happy that I did order them. These retail for $17 a piece. I thought there was going to be like a little bundle. I couldn't find it. I guess it was just like a PR thing, which I was kind of bummed about, but whatever. I got my hands on all three. I'm so happy about that. Alright, here they are all out of the packaging. They're so pretty and so glittery. I'm so excited to swatch these. Alright, let me zoom you in so we can swatch. The first shade I'm going to swatch is Thank You Next. That's pretty. I thought it was going to be super like scary pigmented on my lips, but it's not. Okay, so here's what Thank You Next looks like on my lips and on the back of my hand. This part is voiceover because I kept saying 7 rings, and 7 rings is the next swatch. Next up, we're going to do 7 rings, which looks so fun. I'm kind of scared for this one, but I'm also excited at the same time. I kind of do feel my lips like tingling. So these are plumping. Ooh, 7 rings look pretty so far. But you can't really tell on camera. But yeah, you kind of can. The cool like glitter. Normally I'm afraid of glosses like this, but I actually really like this. And here is a little back of the hand swatch. It's really, really pretty on the lips. I feel like this will look gorgeous if you put a lip liner underneath. And last up we have Needy. I took the cap off beforehand. I apologize. Let's swatch this one. Ooh. This is so pretty on the lips. This is like a Your Lips, but better with a little bit of sparkle. Like, I love this color. So pretty. And here's like a little hand swatch. Whoa. So pretty. I definitely think you guys should pick these up. I'll link all of them down below if you are interested. They're so pretty on the lips, and I think they'll look so pretty on every skin tone. If you guys pick any of these up or have picked any of these up, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to know what colors you got and what you think about them. I'm so excited to wear them every single day. I'm going to wear them like every day next week. I'm not even kidding. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And I think that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!